Welcome to BlueTuskr's How-To Videos. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to remove the Powered by Shopify tag from your online store. As a newbie in the world of SaaS applications and online selling, it's essential to know how to customize your store for a professional look. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process step by step and discuss the benefits of removing the Powered by Shopify tag. Before we get started, let's understand what the Powered by Shopify tag is. This is a small piece of text at the footer of your store's website, indicating that your site is built on the Shopify platform. While this isn't necessarily a bad thing, removing it can create a more custom and professional appearance for your brand. So let's get started. Log into your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com and enter your email address, password, and store name to access your store's admin panel. Navigate to your theme settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see a left-hand menu. Find the Online Store option and click on it. Next, click Themes to access your store's theme settings. Choose the theme you want to edit in the Themes section. You'll see your current theme displayed at the top. To edit this theme, click the Actions button to the right, and then click Edit Theme Settings. Locate the Powered by Shopify text. In the Theme Content section, click on the Filter Translations search bar and type in Powered. This will bring up the text containing Powered by Shopify. To remove the Powered by Shopify text, simply delete it from the text field. Alternatively, you can replace it with your custom text, such as Created with Love by your store name. After making your changes, click the Save button at the top right corner of the page. Verify the changes on your store. To ensure your changes have been applied, visit your store's homepage and scroll down to the footer section. You should no longer see the Powered by Shopify text or your custom text if you chose to replace it. Now that you know how to remove the Powered by Shopify tag, let's discuss why it's essential to do so. Enhanced professionalism. Removing this tag gives your store a more polished and professional appearance, showing visitors that you've put effort into your store's design. Strengthen brand identity. Customizing your store's footer to reflect your brand helps create a more cohesive and memorable shopping experience for your customers. Increase trust. A customized store footer can help build trust with your visitors, as it signals that you take your business seriously. SEO benefits. Using custom text in place of Powered by Shopify can contribute to your store's search engine optimization, making it easier for potential customers to find you. Congratulations! You've successfully removed or replaced the Powered by Shopify text from your online store. This seemingly minor customization can have a significant impact on your store's appearance, professionalism, and even search engine rankings. As you continue to explore the world of SaaS applications and online selling, remember that customization is key to standing out from the competition. Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell so you will get notified on our next video.